Hey man, it was a great atmosphere. Lynn really showed what they're about. We came out supported. It was a good game between both teams. Hard-fought game, double overtime. You can't get really much better than that in a tournament like this.
It was a well-balanced tournament, well-balanced attack. The kids competed hard. Long weekend, it's very hot out here, but I'm happy the way we competed, man.
The great experience, good atmosphere. People out here have fun playing with my friends. This crowd showed love, Simi showed love, so I had fun playing in it.
Championship Sunday in the Marian Gardens. Double overtime win. I'm here with my son. I got the MVP. Great weekend. Something great for the community.
I think it's a good thing, for see the community come together. Kids from all different backgrounds, different cities. Like Juice was saying, it's good for the younger guys to see the guys that are going off to college, to give them something to look up to and things like that.
It's always fun playing against crowds like this when there's a lot of people, a lot of noise and a lot of hype, and everybody getting excited over one play, In a tough atmosphere when you got opposing teams talking trash, so I love playing in environments like this, so I find it fun.
These are some of the best environments. 26 years and going, we played in it as little kids. Now we're just giving back. It's gonna be a great experience for them. You know what I mean? They're gonna remember this forever.
Man, I've been a part of it since I was like 10 years old, so to see it get better and better, it's something that you gotta cherish.
Dana Tate, played, very well for us. DeAndre Dominguez, is only a sophomore, but his ceiling's high. MVP could have went to either one of the two.
Honestly, it's all about turning these kids into competitors, you know what I mean? It's just like, it feels good to make them, it's not only about basketball, but turning them into young men.
This is a great atmosphere. You got the whole city here. You gotta want it, you know what I'm saying? Everybody gotta want to get out there and get the championship, and that's what we did.
Yeah, man, it's big from the sponsors to the people helping, to the fans, to the players. It's a huge deal for the community to come out, and especially with a lot of violence that goes on, to show that we got a good thing in this city.